Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to connect your Godaddy domain to GitHub Pages. Let's get started. First, log into your GitHub account. Find the project that you want to link to your custom domain. Then, click on it. After that, go to the Settings tab in the top right corner. Scroll down and look for Pages under the left-hand menu. Click it, and you will see that your site is currently live using a GitHub subdomain. Let's now connect your custom Godaddy domain. Open a new tab and log into your Godaddy account. Click your profile icon, then go to My Products. Click My Account, then go to Domain. Find the domain you want to use. Then click on that domain to access the DNS settings. Now, copy your domain name and head back to GitHub Pages. And under Custom Domain, type www. Then paste in your domain. Click Save. GitHub will now attempt to verify your domain, but it will fail at this point. No worries, we just haven't added the DNS records yet. Now, let's go back to GoDaddy's DNS page. Scroll to DNS records and click Add Record. You will need to add 4A records pointing to GitHub's IP addresses. To find this, go back to GitHub and click the link for Learn More about configuring custom domains. In the documentation, find the section titled Managing a Custom Domain for your GitHub Pages site. Click on that, and under Configuring an Apex Domain, you will see these 4A records. One by one, copy each IP and in GoDaddy, add a type A record for the name at, and for the value, paste the 4A records one by one. Then, click Save. Repeat it until all 4A records are added. Now, we will add a CNAME record for the www version of your domain. Back in the GitHub docs, scroll down until you see Configuring an Apex domain, just below the A records. Here, GitHub recommends adding a CNAME with your GitHub username. To find your username, look at the top left of your GitHub dashboard. Then, go back to GoDaddy. Click Add Record. For type, CNAME, and for the name, www. For the value, input your username.github.io. Then, click Save. And that's it for DNS setup. Now return to GitHub Pages, refresh the page, and wait for a few minutes. You should see a message. DNS check successfully. Click on your domain. Your site is now live using your Godaddy domain. If you see a not secure warning, don't worry, your SSL certificate is still being issued. After a few hours, GitHub will generate it automatically. Once it's ready, you can go ahead and enforce HTTPS by ticking the checkbox in the GitHub Pages settings. And that's it. You have successfully connected your Godaddy domain to GitHub Pages. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.